Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your files ready. Place the SRT or AS file next to the video or remember its folder. Once the video is open in VLC, you'll want to confirm the file name or path so VLC can auto-load it. Otherwise, you'll add it manually. Next, go to the subtitle menu. This is where you begin assigning or importing the track. Make sure to keep the video paused while you add subtitles to avoid timing confusion. Once you choose Subtitle Add File, pick the SRT or AS file and VLC will attach it to the playing video. If the text is out of sync, open Tools, Track Synchronization and shift subtitles forward or backward in seconds until dialogue matches. Also check Subtitle Subtrack to ensure the correct track is active. If styles or fonts look off, try the AS format for advanced styling. Make sure encoding is UTF-8 for proper character display. Finally, save your setup if you want VLC to remember subtitles. Go to Tools Preferences, Show All Settings, then Subtitles/OSD to enable automatic loading or set a default folder. Once done, test with another video to verify behavior. If subtitles fail to appear, make sure the file encoding is UTF-8, the file name matches the video, and the subtrack is enabled. If timing still drifts, resync in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.